Hayden, stop being a lazy piece of ass and get outside and ride your mother freaking skateboard.
Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. That was a bad idea. Good morning and what's up, guys? Hope you enjoyed that little skit or whatever you want to call it, really. But I'm on my way right now to Stevens Point Skate Park, the only skate park here in central Wisconsin that's cleared off, and I'm gonna go skateboarding today. Super excited about it. It's about 1:20 right now. I'm starting this video kind of late just because I had some health stuff going on this morning. Went to the doctor.
Whoa, it's bumpy.
I went to the doctor this morning because I had some chest problems going on. I'll let you know if I end up dying later or something. Aside from that, I had to go to the dentist. They had to do some dental work. So sorry if I sound kind of weird. My lip's still a little bit numb. It's coming down though. But yeah, there's a little update for you. And I will see you guys at Stevens Point. Alright, slight change of plans. I got there's a lot of people, so I didn't take my camera out yet. And I was just warming up, cruising around, doing whatever. And then I fell, and that hurt. And I was like, oh, well, shit, that kind of hurt because it's cold out and stuff, And, I was cruising around a little bit more. I was like, oh, it's not that bad. And then I go to do a kickflip on flat ground, and I land primo. And then it felt exactly like... So, with that being said, I'm on my way back home to cry like a little bitch. Alright, I'm not gonna go home and cry like a little bitch. I will cry, but not like a little bitch. But I don't even know if this is gonna be a full vlog now, because I was planning on skateboarding this whole video.
I could blow 100 bands on my bitches while they dance. Max effort on my ads.